Hey, check it out down there. RDP merch is now fully available. I got t-shirts, tank tops, hoodies for both Red Delta Project and Grind Style Calisthenics. So if you've been waiting on that stuff, check it out in the links down below the description. All right, how you doing? My name is Matt Shifley, of course, with my new home here at Body Resolution in South Burlington, Vermont. And today is the squat challenge. 100 total reps. We're gonna do 10 different squatting movements with bodyweight and calisthenics training. Keep in mind that this is chain training based type of movement pattern, because some of you might think, well, that's not a squat, that's like a lunge variation or something. In chain training, remember that squat movements is any type of exercise where the distance between your hip and your ankle is changing. They're coming closer together and then further apart. So that includes a wider range of exercises as we'll be exploring in today's video. So without further ado, let's get to it. 100 reps in the tank. Now, of course, with legs being a little bit more of an endurance muscle group, you may want to double the repetitions on each one of these steps to really give it a good workout, because at this point, I feel like I'm basically just getting started and warmed up. But I didn't want to make a 20-minute long video of just endless reps, because that would be boring to watch. So feel free to adjust the amount of reps you do or what exercise you're doing. You may want to do just one of these exercises for 100 reps and really fry out your legs. Also, don't forget, check out the RDP merch down below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss an episode. Till then, be fit, live free.